Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Vibes. So your PlayStation 5 isn't turning on? Maybe it beeps but won't boot, or doesn't beep at all, or is stuck in rest mode, or the white power LED shows but the screen stays black. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we'll go through 5 quick and easy fixes to get your PS5 up and running. Easy trick to boot up PS5 first: try inserting a disc if you have a non-digital PS5. Don't force it, your console should detect it automatically. If this doesn't work, move to the next solutions. We've split this issue into 3 main categories. Use timestamps to jump to the part relevant to your situation. At the end, I'll show a troubleshooting method that works even if other solutions fail. Solution 1. PS5 beeps but won't turn on. If your PS5 beeps when pressing power but won't stay on, it could be overheating. Move it to a well-ventilated area. Also, check for dust buildup and clean your console. Solution 2. PS5 won't beep at all if pressing the power button does nothing. Start by unplugging the power cable. Wait at least 1 minute, then plug it back in and try again. Try a different power cord. If it's in an extension, plug directly into a wall outlet. If it's already on a wall socket, try another socket. Test the socket with another device, like a phone charger. If the PS5 still doesn't turn on, unplug it and power cycle for 30 minutes. After this, your console should boot. Solution 3. Power LED on but screen black. If the LED is on but the screen shows nothing, check your HDMI connection. Ensure it's plugged in firmly at both ends. Try a different HDMI cable. Test your monitor or TV with another device. If the display still doesn't work, the monitor or TV might be faulty. Solution 4. PS5 stuck in rest mode. If you see an orange LED, your PS5 is in rest mode. Hold the power button for 15 seconds to fully turn it off. Turn it back on, it should boot immediately. Solution 5. If nothing else works, we'll start your PS5 in safe mode. Make sure the console is completely off. Hold the power button until you hear the second beep. The recovery screen will appear. Connect your controller via USB and press the PS button. First, restart the console from safe mode. If that fails, go to option 2, change resolution. This fixes black screen issues caused by unsupported resolution. If it still doesn't work, choose option 6, rebuild database. This may take time, so be patient. As a last resort, reset your PS5 from safe mode. This will erase all internal data, but it often fixes stubborn issues. And that's it. 5 quick solutions to boot your PS5. I hope this guide helped you get your console working. Leave your feedback and questions below. I'll respond quickly. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more PS5 tips.